Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's NaturalNanz. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my box braids, my jumbo box braids. And it wasn't that difficult, it didn't take that long, I think because they are jumbo. And I think it's perfect for any beginner who wants an easy protective style. So at this stage, I have already done my wash routine and I also moisturize my hair with a leave-in conditioner, some oil, as well as a braid cream. The braid cream, I mean, it's not necessary. I just did it because logically it made sense. But you can just put in any sort of thick styler that would moisturize your hair as much as possible because this is going to be a long-term protective style. So we are doing the knotless method. So step number 1 is to divide your hair and put each individual section into elastic bands. And the easiest way for me to do this was to do all of these sections first, because I was just worried about my hair drying over time and then splitting it becoming difficult, because as you can see, I haven't blow dried my hair. I've left it in its natural state just because I'm not a fan of heat and I'm not going to start now. And as a lot of us know, these are called box braids because your parts look like boxes on your head. But I have to say, I was not as precise with my sectioning. You see me now like trying to actually make straight lines in the front of my hair, but at the back I just settled for doing finger parts and making them as even as I could have. But to make the parts neater, I am adding edge control to the root of my hair just so that it can collect everything when I am doing the ponytails. My hair bands are a bit thick, but I purposefully did that because this is my first time doing this and I just wanted to test it out for now. Also, I want to test how easy it is to take them out when I do take the style down. So if it's not too much of a problem, then I will use the thinner elastic, more like rubber bands. So this is my hair with all of the rubber bands in, and then now this is when I'll start from the back again and actually plait in the braids. So we're finally at the stage where we have 2 braids left to do. Comment down below when you get your hair done at the salon how long it takes to get to this point. It feels like forever. But I'm using 3 colors only because this is all I had left. And it looks a bit stark, but it turned out okay. Would I do it again? No, because I would have planned and gotten the colors that I want, but I'm happy with the result. So I was just showing you how I feathered the hair and also mixed the colors in just so that it doesn't look too stripy. And then now I'm actually splitting the hair into 2, wrapping one of the pieces around so that it is secure and attached, and then I want 3 pieces as if I'm gonna braid this hair by itself but I'm actually going to attach to my hair. But the key is you want 3 pieces when you are starting off to braid your hair. So as you're looking at me, my left hand has 2 pieces doubled into one, and my right hand had one singular piece for the middle and one singular piece for the right side. And then I actually attached my real hair to the right side. So as you can see, it's going to be unbalanced in terms of thickness. So as you're braiding, you do need to borrow from the other sides to make sure that when your hair finishes and you are now left only braiding with the synthetic hair, it still looks even. Don't forget to detangle the bottom of the hairpiece as you're plaiting, otherwise you could find yourself in a hot mess. And that happened to me about 6 different times when I was doing my hair. So as I was braiding my hair, I decided to tie the bottoms with an elastic. This is not permanent, it's just so that it doesn't unravel while I'm plaiting the rest of my hair. So this is all of the braids done, and at this point I went back to each braid, took out the elastic band that I put in the bottom, and I actually braided it to the bottom. And then afterwards I boiled some hot water and I dipped the ends, probably up until the point where my hair started. I dipped the ends in hot water and then took them out, dry them off a bit with a towel, and then cut off the pieces that I didn't want. So this is my hair 2 days after I finished installing the braids. You'll see my roots are a bit fuzzy because I have been using the black rice water for hair growth, so it's definitely like showing through quicker than I expected. But yeah, this is the braid look. It's really not that hard. It's just you need to plan a little bit in terms of the different stages that you're going to be going through. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.